You are live.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live session of us. And yeah, so in today's session, we are going to make a device that can you have seen the many devices with the Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. So in today's session, we will tell you how you can. Let me share the screen first. So I hope my screen is visible to you, and let me check it here first. Okay, and this screen is visible. Hope this screen is visible. If you have any problem with this display, then you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now let me tell you what are the things that we are going to build today, and what are the things that we're going to do today, and what are the things that we are going to learn today. Okay, so today's session is about designing a very smart Alexa controller device. So you might have seen the Alexa smart bulb like there here in my room, or you have seen the smart controller that you can control using the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant by saying Alexa turn on LED, turn off LED, turn on the TV, turn off the TV. Alexa take set the light brightness to 5%, 2.5%, set the light color, set the light color to magenta, and all those things, all those different kind of steps. Okay, so these things you can now you can now build your own. So one thing that while you try to designing on all these things, one thing that you need is the chip that can able to connect with the Wi-Fi, and that will able to give you the IoT, so that you can do those designs. So today we will going to design the same thing, and that can also be able to connect with your phone and give you the IoT dashboard, a UI, a complete UI, where you can control the lights using the internet. Using the internet, and like in the other another IoT controller or any kind of other similar devices, you might have to add different individual devices. Like if you are going to control a light and a fan, the light has its own application, and it has it's another whole another device, and the fan controller is a whole another device. If you want to combine all those things in one single device, you can control the light, fan using one single device, and the light as well. Then it will be very good thing. The same bulb which acting as a controller for the fan as well, same bulb which acting as a controller for many other devices as well. So this session is very going to be very interesting. You are able to do that. Till now there is no other device that can give you the control, that is the bulb, and that same bulb be able to control your AC, TV, fridge, and as well. So this is going to be very interesting thing which is not made earlier by anyone. Okay, so we are going to even a more smarter and amazing device today. Okay, so first let me tell you, let me show you the demo of that. Let me show you. So here is the code I have. So let me upload this code. I hope my screen is visible to you. So let me upload this code. I will show you the demo, how this device work, what are the UI we will get, and then we will tell you how you can make it. Okay. So let me tell you all the connection and the component first. So here are the component that we need. Okay. So here you can see in the camera, in my camera video, here in this camera video, you can see the one device that we need is the ESP controller. Okay, ESP controller. Okay, so this is the ESP controller. Okay. That this is the Indus board coin, and it has the ESP chip. So one device that you need is the a chip that connects with the Wi-Fi network. So this is the Wi-Fi network. This device can able to help you in connecting with the Wi-Fi network. And then for make controlling the light, brightness, colors, and many animations on the LED light, we can use the NeoPixel LED. This is the NeoPixel LED. I'm going to tell you what is this LED, what is this NeoPixel LED, and how its NeoPixel LEDs are different from another RGB or any other simpler LED. I will tell you details of this later. Okay, so this so first component we need is the Indus board coin. Why we are choosing the Indus board coin? We are choosing the Indus board coin here in this for this design because it's very small and it has enough number of IO pins. that helps you connecting and adding more and more relay module to control various of devices, adding the different kind of this kind of LED displays, light bulbs, and it also has the inbuilt sensor. So you can also use the inbuilt sensor and touch controller on the board for the light controller based interrupt and all those things, and sleep modes also. So it can also help you to turn on off the light based on the sleep as well. So there are lots of a good part of this, and it's very small. So our whole design can be very made into very compact and small bulb. So suppose that if you want to make a bulb that can change the color, that can show the with different animations, and also able to give you the control over the Wi-Fi and all those things, then see here I can use that. I can connect this Indus board coin. Is very small, and this is a NeoPixel bulb. It can act as a whole room bulb for me. Okay. So and if you want to control the AC appliance like AC, refrigerator, TV, then you can use the solid state relay or mechanical relay. So here I am using the mechanical relay. You can see here I am using the mechanical relay. Okay, so I can connect this mechanical relay to the Indus board coin for that. So okay, so these are the component that we need. The Indus board coin and number of LED that you want to control. You can add the n number of these NeoPixel LED, a strip one, the circular one, many other different kind of. Okay, and if you want to control the AC appliances like light, like TV, fridge, refrigerator, then you can add this solid state relay. So add the solid state relay or this kind of mechanical relay. Okay, and so if you want to use this device to control the AC switching, then you need 16 to 20 amperes of the relay that will able to handle that current. Okay, otherwise if you want to control the refrigerator, fans, bulbs, then this kind of relay is enough. Okay, so you need to check the ampere rating of how much ampere that relay will able to control. Okay, the appliances. Okay, so these are the basic component that we need. Okay, so let me first connect it. Let me first tell you about the NeoPixel LED. Okay, before showing the demo, let me tell you about the NeoPixel LED. Let me tell you. These are called addressable LED. So let me tell you, these are the addressable LED. So in these kind of LED, let me show you the image of this LED. So in this LED, as you can see here, in this LED, addressable LED, you can see there are 4 pins. Okay, so one pin is ground, another pin is VCC. So 2 are the power pins. Another pin is the DIO, that is digital input, and other DI, and other pin is DO, that is the digital output. So this is very special kind of LED, like LED that you have seen is the RGB LED that has this that also has these 4 pins. These 4 pins. These kind of 4 pins. Okay, this also has this kind of RGB. So one is the positive common cathode or common anode, positive or negative. So common, this is a common anode. So one is the positive, another is the red, green, blue. You can control the color, mix the many colors using controlling this RGB individual LED that is inside this, packed inside this LED. Okay, so this is RGB LED, but NeoPixel LED are different. So suppose that you combine many 5 to 10 RGB LEDs. So to control each LED, you need each different number of lines of the number of wires for each LED to control each LED individually. But in NeoPixel LED, there is a data input pin and there is a data output pin. So you can control each of these LED. Okay, each of these LED individually. Okay, so that is why it's called NeoPixel. It acts as individual pixels like this TV, you see, work on the same concept. They have the small, this NeoPixel LED combined, connected to each other, and they can individually control over the controller and able to display so each LED act as a small pixel here. Okay, that's what we call addressable LED or pixel LED. Okay, so here you can see, like here you can see the pixel LED. So one is the data input pin, other is the data output pin. So data input pin is the input where you enter the data, and suppose that you combine this LED with another LED, then another LED, another LED, a chain of LED. Okay. So all these LED will getting the data of the first LED, getting the signal, and then it process that signal, and then that signal, same signal will be transferred to the another LED, and they create a whole chain, and each LED have its own address to control it. That's why we call it addressable LED or pixel LED. So the LED that I am using to make that controller is the RGB, this pixel LED. Okay, this pixel LED. So this pixel LED that I have told you like earlier, that they have the, let me show you the, wiring pins. See, there is a 5 DO 5 volt and the D in pins. There are 4 pins. Okay, data input, data output, and all those pins. Okay. So for all these LED are connected with each other internally. If I want to connect one more this kind of device, I can simply use the data input pin of that LED, of that new LED, to the data output pin of this LED. Okay, this pixel LED. So this is how the pixel LED work. You can read more details on the electronics for you, or somewhere else as well, about this pixel LED. Okay. So let me connect the device. So here I am using the pixel LED for the light controller, Indus board as a Wi-Fi chip for that will connect to the Alexa. And let me first connect it, then I will tell you. So here you can see, yeah, here you can see it has one positive pin, another one is a negative pin. So the first one is the ground pin. So this is the ground pin. So this ground pin goes to the ground. This ground pin goes to the ground. So let me connect this ground pin to the Indus board ground. So ground pin of pixel LED goes to the Indus board ground. If you want to connect one more pixel LED, then you can make the ground common between those pixel LED. If that LED, if this LED are making it are very high rated, like these are very, they work on 5 volt, 12 volt, or 5 ampere of current, or 2 ampere of current, then you can use the external power supply to power this. Here this LED is not needing that much of power, so I can directly connect it with. In such case of scenario, you have to make a ground common and then power it externally using the external power adapter or power controller as specified by that, required by that LED. Okay. Then I am going to connect this 5 volt. Okay. This 5 volt to the 5 volt of this Indus board point. Here I have connected the 5 volt to the 5 volt of Indus board point. And let me remove the relay for now. Okay. And then this pin to the pin number, any pin, any 3 pin, I can attach the data pin. I can attach to the any 3 pin. Okay. Okay, sorry. This is the data pin. Pin number 6. This is the 5 volt. Green one is the 5 volt. 5 volt. So green one is the data pin 5 volt. Let me check again. Yeah, this is the 5 volt ground, and red one is the data pin. Yeah. Okay. So now let me connect it. After connecting, it will connect to the Wi-Fi network. So it connected to the Wi-Fi network, as you can see in my monitor. Now I copy this and paste it. Here on my PC. It will give me the UI. See, it will give me the UI where I can turn on the LED. I can control the color of each LED. See, here you can see. Here is the UI to control this LED, a NeoPixel LED. So I am opening side by side. So here you can see this is the whole connection. So suppose that I want to control the LED number 5. Okay, so I can simply select the LED number 5 from this UI. From this UI, I have selected the LED number 5. Now currently that LED color is black. That LED is off. Okay. So suppose that I want to change that to the color red, or you can say blue. Then it will set to the blue or green, whatever the color I select. So suppose that I select blue, then it will select to the blue. Okay. So suppose that I want to control the LED number 11, and I want to set it to the yellow. Then I can set it to the yellow. I can select it here, and that will turn on the yellow. The yellow is turned on. See here, yellow is turned on. Okay, here, yellow is turned on. You can see here. Okay. If I want to turn off, I can turn it off. See, it turn off. This LED turn off. I want to turn it on. I can turn it on. This is the individual. This is a global LED brightness. I can control the brightness. See, using this UI, the brightness can be controlled using here. Okay. And so I can individually control any of this LED on this series using same wire, same one wire. Pin LED number 14, I can set it to the another color. Let's say I want to set it to the sky blue. Sky blue I'm selected. Now see, a sky blue is on. Sky blue is on. Okay. If I want to set this color to the all, then I can set it to the all. All color are not now blue. If I want to set all the color to the yellow, then I can set yellow, set to all color. If I want to play some kind of animation like fading, I can play the animation. Now it will fade in, fade out. See, fading animation. I want to set it to the breathing, then it can show the breathing animation. Okay, see, it's the breathing animation. If I want to make a flash, then it will flash it like this. See, flashing. Let me again and see, play flash, and it will flash. Okay. See, it's flashing. If I want to make a color wipe, then I can play the color wipe. I can control the animation on it. And all I can control is just one single wire. I can give the command and each individual LED can be controlled. Okay. So suppose that I want to now change the color of LED number 4 to the blue. LED number 4 set to the blue. See, using one single wire, I will able to control any of this LED. Okay. I want to make a scanner animation. I can change the scanner animation here. See, here I am playing the scanner animation. Okay. See, I can do all these things. I can control using this baby wire. I can do the same using the phone as well. So let me connect my phone here. So this is my phone, a screen. Okay, sorry, it got disconnected. So I can connect it using that. And same thing will be visible on Alexa app. It will integrate to the Alexa as well. Okay. So here in my Alexa app, all these LED 1, LED 2 act so as a light number 1, light number 2. Here in my Alexa app, see in the device list, all these listed as a light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4. See, all these individual LED can be controlled using the Alexa as well. Light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4. See, in the Alexa as well. So how you can make such a device that can be controlled with the Alexa, that can attach to the Alexa as well, that will give you the UI on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet over the Wi-Fi to control. So you can control using the Alexa from anywhere, using the voice command. You can set the timer using the Alexa. You can do many kind of different stuffs using the Alexa. Because this whole device connect to the Alexa. Okay. And it will also give you the UI. So suppose that here I have made, you can also control the AC bulb. Here I have made one one prototype of the AC bulb. Here I can say the Alexa turn on and off, and it will turn on and off based on the voice command. See.
Alexa, light 6 off कर दो.
See, it automatically goes
Alexa,
off.
लाइट 6 ऑन कर दो.
एक से ज्यादा चीजों का नाम नहीं है. लाइट 6 और लाइट 10.
लाइट
कौन सा चाहिए?
लाइट 6.
ठीक है.
Alexa, लाइट 6 ऑन कर दो.
एक से ज्यादा चीजों का नाम नहीं है.
See, you can control it using voice command. With
Alexa,
okay.
लाइट 6 ऑफ कर दो.
ठीक है.
Like
Alexa,
okay. So let me tell you how you can make this. So if you want to control the refrigerator, then you can add this kind of relay as well. You can add the relay. You can add the 5-volt and ground to the 5-volt adapter and ground of this Indus board coil, and you can connect this pin to any of the pin on the Indus board coil. So there are 30 plus GPIO pin on this small tiny Indus board coil. So you can connect 30 plus NeoPixel LED. You can connect 30 pixel or 30 plus this relay module as well. So you can control 30 different devices. Either it's a light or it's a refrigerator. You can control whole office. 30 is very large number. You can control 30 devices, individual devices using same over the Alexa. You can design such a controller using this Indus board point. Okay. So this is the beauty of these things. Okay. So let me tell you how we are going to make it. Okay. How this thing can be made. Okay. So for integrating the Alexa, for control integrating this whole device to the Alexa to automatically get detected on the Alexa device and connected to the Alexa and get seamlessly integrated with the Google Assistant and Alexa and everything. For the Google Assistant, I will tell you later. For the Alexa, I am telling you. So here we are going to use a specialized kind of library called ESP Alexa. This is the ESP Alexa library. So we are going to use this particular library that helps us in connecting this Indus board coin, this Indus board coin, this Indus board coin. Okay, this helps in connecting this Indus board coin to the Alexa. Okay. So for this, we are going to use the Alexa, ESP Alexa library. Okay. And for controlling the NeoPixel LED, NeoPixel LED, we are going to use the fast LED.h library. So you need to download this library. ESPALEXA Alexa. I have already installed it, so it is showing to me the remove option. If you not installed, then you need to click on install. And for what say for the LED, NeoPixel LED, you can install this LED, this one, fast LED. Okay. Next, what we are going to use the web server.h, using which we can able to host the web page and the UI for this one, this web page UI that I am getting here. Okay, this web page UI. Okay. And then we are going to define the pin numbers. So there are I have connected the NeoPixel LED to the pin number 6. So I have defined the pin number 6. If you want to add more pins, if you want to add more NeoPixel LED, if you want to add more relay to controlling more devices, then you can keep adding here. You have to keep defining here. So I have connected the LED pin on pin number 33 to control the LED light, room light. I have connected a AC on pin number 21. So I have a relay for controlling the AC on pin number 21. So I have defined the pin number 21. And then for the, if you are using the, how much LED, how much number of LED there in the NeoPixel LED that we are going to use. So here I am using the circular NeoPixel LED. You can see here. So it has total number of 70 LED on this NeoPixel LED. So you have to define this number of LED that is present on your NeoPixel LED, so you can able to control seamlessly. So here you need to define same in the code as well. Okay. After that, you need to set the SSID and password of the device. Okay. So here SSID and password according to your Wi-Fi network. So whatever the Wi-Fi network in your home, you have to change it. So suppose that I have my Wi-Fi network name is Geo4G and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 is my password. So I can write that. I can write that. Okay. So we have to mention the LED password and then the LEDs and the animation and all those things in the code. Next, we have to create a, next we have created the update LED functions that will update the LED 1. Okay, LED 2 for each individual LED. Okay, that we have set up here. LED 1, that is the neopixel LED. LED 2 is the room light LED. Okay, room light LED light, this light. Okay, and all these things. Okay, all these things. Okay, and then you can change the end Indus this thing this in you have to name the device, that what you call this. So whatever, suppose that you have 5 number of lights. So how the Alexa identify this device, how the Alexa list this device in your, in the setting, this Alexa app setting, this Alexa app setting, this Alexa app setting. So suppose that this is a Alexa app. So to support that this is a Alexa app, here how this device will be listed, like light 1, light 6, light 2, light 3, light 4, light 5, or TV, or whatever the things is. Okay. So how this device will be listed in the Alexa? You can, so here I have earlier I have used light 1, light 2, light 3. Here you can name it any name that you want to use. Okay. Here, add a device. Okay. So ESP Alexa dot add a device Indus LED. So that it can act as a Indus LED, Indus light. It will show as a Indus light, Indus AC. You can add as your name, what, you can name anything to that device. Okay. You can device bedroom light, bedroom TV, your name, support Aswini AC, Aswini TV, anything to add the device to the Alexa. You can keep adding n number of devices that you want to. Okay, then you have to use the Alexa dot begin. After that, it will listed in the Alexa app in the same name here in the device settings. So if you want to add that new device, you have to click here on the Alexa app and then go up. You have to go to the add device and then you have to select other, and then when you select on this, Alexa will scan all the devices in the Wi-Fi, in the same Wi-Fi network, and if it is there, then it will automatically get added here in the list. Okay, here in the list like this I have added here. Okay, so in this way you have to name the device. Then for, if I also want the UI for this kind of UI to make control this device, so you can attach this UI here in the code. This is the UI dashboard code. Okay, where this is the HTML code of UI that I have created. You can get this dashboard code from any chat GPT, or you can get this dashboard IoT dashboard codes, HTML codes from any online, places. There are lots of pre-built IoT dashboard UIs and all those things. Are you, if you know the HTML and CSS like me, then you can customize and create your own this kind of UI in HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Okay, by integrating all those things. Okay. So after adding this HTML file for this kind of UI to control my light. Okay. Okay. Then you need to create a setup file where it will check the server, the incoming data from the server. Okay. Okay. The server is sending on and off or not, and then you have to select the get the data from the, these are the animation and all those things, JavaScript data. Let me say. Oh, sorry, I was in wrong code. Yeah. Yeah, here. Now in this part of code, what you need to see, you need to check the LED. Okay, you need to check the LED status command that will be sent to Alexa, and Alexa will return the command what is the status of LED, whether it's saying to turn off or turn off, whether it's saying the brightness or all that. You have to check this status that Indus LED is changed to what number of the brightness, what number of the colors, and whatever the things. You have to check the status from the Alexa server, and once the Alexa return that thing, you have to set same for the LED. Okay, same set same state for the relay or LED, whatever you have connected. You have to make the individual function for all these. And then these are the web handlers. These are the handlers code for the UI. So this will check the inputs from the UI, this web UI to control these things. Okay. And after doing all these things, after doing all these connections and using the ESP Alexa, you just need to upload the code. After uploading the code, when you click on the Alexa application here on the and this will list the device will be listed here, like the Indus LED or light 1, light 2, light 6, whatever the name you have set, it will automatically got discovered in the Alexa app. When you go here, and you can control using the Alexa device. If you want to go control it using the web UI, then you can control it from here. Okay, control it from this web UI or the phone UI. Okay, like this. Okay, turn off, turn on. See this one, turn off. 1 minute, turn off. See, it get turn off. I want to turn it on, it get turn on. Okay, I want to play some scanner, so it's a scanning. So all these UI, you can control it to UI, or you can control it using the Alexa as well. Okay, same device can connect with the Alexa, Google Assistant, and connect and also with the Wi-Fi, and give you the UI. 3-4 options to control. You can control it using the UI, phone, laptops, and all. You can control it using the Alexa as well. So this way you can control. Okay. So whole code will be uploaded on the electronicsforyou.com. You can check the similar project. This project will be published in few upcoming weeks. Okay. Or you can also check one of the older project that is based on the same thing. You can search on Electronics for You. Okay, and you will get that project. Okay. Here you can see. So this is a TV controller application project made with same ESP Alexa application. You can check that out. There is another project called a smallest Alexa IoT control device that we made earlier and published. You can check the codes and this project as well. And this one project that we have currently made right now in this live session, the code and project will be available in few upcoming weeks. Till then, you can also check these projects as well, a smallest Alexa and all those things. You can note this URL, okay, and the title. Okay, thank you everyone.